In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dsers to Shopify 2026. Step by step. If you want to connect Dsers to your Shopify store and start managing AliExpress dropshipping more smoothly, this setup is actually pretty straightforward once you know the order to follow. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can get everything connected properly and avoid common confusion later. First, go to the Dsers signup page and create a free account. During setup, choose your e-commerce platform, which in this case is Shopify. After that, authorize the connection so Dsers can install and link to your store. This permission step is important because it allows Dsers to sync products, orders, and fulfillment details with Shopify. When prompted, log into your AliExpress account as well. This links your supplier side to Dsers, so the app can help you import products and process orders more efficiently. Once the account connections are in place, the next part is importing products. One option is to install the Dsers Chrome extension, which makes it easy to import items directly while browsing products online. If you prefer working inside the platform itself, you can also use the Find Suppliers feature in the Dsers dashboard. This lets you search for products by keyword or even by image, which can be useful when you're researching trending items or comparing options. When you find a product you want to sell, click Add to Import List. After that, go to your import list inside Dsers. This is where you prepare products before they appear in your store. Take a little time here to customize the product title, description, variants, and pricing. This step matters because it helps you present the product in a way that fits your brand instead of just copying the original supplier listing. Once everything looks good, click Push to Store to publish the product directly to your Shopify website. Next, make sure your products are mapped correctly. In your Dsers dashboard, open My Products and then select Mapping. This connects the products in your store to the correct AliExpress suppliers and variants. Proper mapping is especially important for things like sizes and colors because it ensures customers order exactly what gets sent by the supplier. Finally, when a customer places an order in your store, that order will automatically sync to the Open Orders section in Dsers. Then go to the Awaiting Order tab, choose the orders you want to fulfill, and click Order. From there, confirm the payment on AliExpress. Dsers also makes it possible to pay for multiple orders at once, which saves time as your store grows. Once the supplier ships the item, the tracking number updates automatically and syncs back to your customer's order. And that's how to link Dsers to Shopify and set up a simple workflow for importing, mapping, and fulfilling products efficiently.